Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Android phone settings, and in today's video I will show you on how to stop apps from wastage or consume your data excessively on your Android phone. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Phone Master on your Android phone. Go ahead and open up your Phone Master. Having opened up your Phone Master, scroll down right here until you get to Network Assistant. Go ahead and click on Network Assistant. Now you are here. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here, and what you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on Data Saving Mode. So click on that. Once you click on that, then you are here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this icon right here. Now you are here. You can add apps into these sections right here. Like for instance, I'm going to put my TikTok here, and I'm going to put WhatsApp. You can add as many as possible data. You can add as many as possible app in this section. Once you are done, click on back right here. Then you have all the app right here. By doing this, you are limiting the number of data consumption by some of the app you add right here. It's that simple. If you want to remove any app from here, you can click on this minus sign right here. So once you click on this minus sign, then it will indicate which of the app you want to remove. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about how best to use your Android device, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.